With a very forward-looking, very amiable, very deeply rooted governor of Edo State, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, someone that has done so much in the private sector before coming into governance. A lot of things that he's doing is a very clear reflection of what he's doing right now. For me, I'm not surprised because of all his achievements. I've been a very strong supporter of all his good things, all his good deeds, particularly for the people of Edo State. And by extension to the youth of Edo, because he's one of the leaders that are very youth sensitive. If you look in his office, he's very youthfully charged. This gives me a lot of encouragement that leaders like him believe so much in the youth of this country, giving them opportunities. It's a very great, giant stride. We're very proud of you. I repeat very clearly, we're very proud of you because of the great things you're doing. Keep it up. Keep all the good works. But I'm here to also greet him for long life with great vitality. For him to continue with all the great things that he's doing. All will continue to be well with you. We will continue to pray for you and pray for all what you stand for. And we believe you will continue to work towards upholding our legacy. For sure, we will continue to celebrate you. We will continue to note all the great things you're doing. Please fire on. Don't relent. There might be distractions. You have always had your eyes on the ball. Congratulations once more on all the great things you're doing. God bless you, and God bless the people of Edo State, particularly the youth of Edo State. And God bless our ever-energetic governor and forward-looking governor. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Your Royal Majesty, my brother, my friend, I want to welcome you to Edo State and to my office. This is not your first visit to this office, like you said. This is your second visit. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate you and to also thank you for what you're doing for this country. You may not see it the way we do. You have become one strong glue, a unifier in this, our country, particularly in these perilous times. We thank God for your life and the energy He has given to you. In a challenging time like this in Nigeria, when a huge segment of our population, particularly the young people, feel left out, feel uncared for, feel as if they are not part of a system, you have stood out the foremost traditional ruler in this country to open up your arms, to now accept them and make them feel that they belong. This is very, very positive. I want to assure you that coming from Edo State, the home of culture, the home of tradition, we do not joke with our traditional institutions. We hold our traditional institutions in the highest, with highest regard, and will do everything to protect, sustain, and support our traditional institutions. As a politician, it will be sad and unfortunate if you don't appreciate and understand the stabilizing factor that traditional institutions are to us in this country, and use them in terms of helping with our developmental programs. Because they're the ones who live there on a daily basis with the people. They have a very deep sense of understanding of the challenges and problems in our communities, particularly local communities. And so for us, we embrace them in Edo State. One of the biggest challenges we have today is security. And these challenges occur in specific domains. As they say, these bandits, these criminals, they are not spirits. When people are kidnapped, they are taken to specific locations or areas in the forests. Our people know them. They pass on the information to the authorities that are closest to them, usually the traditional authorities. So if we are going to tackle the security challenges we have in Nigeria, government must now work very closely with the traditional authorities. We're already doing that in Edo State, and I can assure you or confirm that the results are bountiful. So we want to encourage you to continue to be that unifying factor to help us build a solid, sound, progressive, and strong and great country. God will continue to bless you, and may your reign continue to be peaceful and progressive. Kaabiezi.
Your Excellency, thank you for your motivational speech. Every time I listen to it, I'm here again with the reloaded office, re-energized office for you to serve your people the more. It's out of this world. Congratulations. May God Almighty continue to be with you, guide and guard you in all your endeavors. For your birthday that I missed, I have this that were done by very young youths. I will send you the video. Artwork that's from our initiative. We took our time to draw it out, a pencil work. It took us several days, and we were doing it into every fine detail. We'll send you the video for you to see eventually. The making of this, it's very dear to us. It's very timeless. I said I'll personally come and present it to you. Congratulations for all the good things you're doing. God bless you. The throne of our forebears. This is from our timeless bronze in Ife, the Bronze Age. We still have leftover of more than 10,000 years. So we take a little bit out of it and mix it because it's very spiritual. Because bronze is into perpetuity. Your legacy will be into perpetuity. The same way we have a bright sun is to that corner on the right hand side. That's how your glory will continue to shine. You will continue to grow from strength to strength. There is this instrument in Yoruba land. It lacks nothing. It lacks money. Money will never ever be something you will lack in this world. You will continue to grow from strength to strength. When you beat any drum, people will listen to it. People will hear it. When you give any tone of drum, people will dance to it. This is a very hardcore spirituality of Yoruba people. We have actually carved all these things for you, that every time you will know no sorrow. You will continue to know joy in your life. Joy that is everlasting. God Almighty will continue to make you shine from everything you lay your hands upon. You will continue to grow from strength to strength. I, on the throne of Oduduwa, genuinely respect, love, and adore you. God will continue to bless you. Congratulations.
You know, you're our father. You know, you can never give enough to your father. But this gesture of yours, which has become your mantra. This is the last time you came. You gave me a beautiful piece which adorned my home office. Today, look at the amazing pieces of art and spirituality that you have brought to me. I want to thank you. We can never repay you. But I'm challenged. I can't let you go without a token. Even though this is an official token, please do accept it from us. I know you have quite a lot of bronze works in the palace. You please accept it from me and just make it one of the very many pieces that adorn your palace.
Tí ọmọ mọ̀lẹ̀, ọmọ mọ̀lẹ̀ mọ̀lẹ̀, ọmọ